All right, everyone, we are going to take a quick look at MYRO. So, from the last couple of MYRO updates, we've been just falling off the table here. She's pretty much been dying. So, the story I don't think has changed. The big question I guess you guys have is, will she recover? And I would say probably at some point she's going to go back up and make a new high. But it looks like right now we broke below the 786 support at 6.7. We are once again for the third time retesting it as resistance here on this candle. And if we cannot get back over 6.7, it does look like MYRO here wants to drop all the way back down to the low. And you can see you're going to drop another 75, 76%. If we zoom out to the daily chart, you can clearly see there is a floor that has been put in at that price level for MYRO. So I would say if MYRO comes back down to 1.4 here, that would potentially be the bottom. So if you ever wanted to buy the bottom of something, that would be your chance here if it ends up coming back down here. One other thing I would point out is if we look where we're bouncing here in the middle of nowhere, if we simply draw a support line here in this area, you could see that back here, this is where we had a bounce. So we do have some sort of volume area going on here. And I would simply say any lower than this, if we break these wicks here and go lower than those, say pretty much, we'll say 4 pennies. If you go any lower than 4 pennies, then you know you're getting that massive drop down to the bottom, back to the floor here at 1.4. So you're potentially going to drop back down here if you cannot get over 7 or the 786 there for about a 22% drop in this volume area. And if you end up holding that, you know, she may start going back up. But any lower than that, then you're looking at that massive drop down for that 75, 76% drop back down to the low there on MYRO. It does have short-term momentum right now with this spike, but ultimately, like I've said a million times, you're getting stuck here at 6.7. So yeah, it looks like it's just repeating history. Once we broke the uptrend here, retested it as resistance, you know, we just been stair-stepping our way down and pretty much going to zero here. So I would say potentially the 1.4 level should be the bottom on MYRO. If not, if you go any lower than 1.4, then you can see that's when you could really say that MYRO is going to zero. See the 1.272 price here. So yeah, I would say that pretty much confirms that the bottom is 1.4 on MYRO here. So without repeating myself once again, just watch those prices there, not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.